Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's topic is a question that I get asked all the time. I figured I'd just come on here and answer it real quick. Customers call me up and say, my computer froze and I got a message that says I have a virus and to call a certain number to fix it. Well, anytime something pops up on your screen to tell you have a problem with your computer and to call a number and they actually give you the number on the screen, it's 100% a scam. Don't fall for it. Don't do it. Don't call them. Um, Let me explain to you why that happens. You're on a website. It could be something as harmless as Yahoo or Facebook, any website that has ads on it. Those ads are not normally stored on the website themselves. They're stored someplace else, and the website just pulls them over and shows them to you. Well, that other website got hacked, and you just happened to be the lucky person that saw the advertisement that was infected at that particular moment. And what it did was it just sent malicious code to your computer, not to harm the computer, just to freeze your browser and display this message. Sometimes it's just a picture, sometimes it's the picture of the message and an annoying voice saying your computer's infected, don't shut it off, all this other garbage. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the computer. It is strictly what I call scareware. They're scaring you into calling the phone number and handing over access to your computer and your credit card, and there's nothing wrong with the machine. They're just out to get your money. So the best way to prevent that from happening, and keep in mind, nothing will ever make you 100% secure. But the best way to reduce the risk of getting that, I would say, would be putting an ad blocker on your browser, whether you use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, if you're on an Apple product. There is a product called uBlock Origin, the letter U, the word block, Origin. That is the best ad blocker that I know about. And what the ad blocker will do is it blocks the ads. So if you're on a website where there's supposed to be ads, you just see white space where the ad was supposed to be. It doesn't actually show it to you. Because you don't see the ad, you also don't see the infected ads, and then you don't get that pop-up message. Now, like I said, it's not 100% foolproof. There are ways around it. Nothing is ever going to be 100% secure, but this is your best way to not get that. But, customers ask me all the time, well, what if I do get it? How do I fix it? The simplest thing for me to tell you to fix it is to turn off your computer. Even if it says, don't power off your computer, you will break something. No, it's just a scare tactic to get you to call the phone number. So what I want you to do is the button you used to turn the computer on. I want you to go find that button again, and I want you to hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. I don't care if the screen goes off or if the screen goes black. Keep holding that button down for 15 to 20 seconds. That will power the computer off. It's what I call a force shutdown. Now, you don't want to do this too often because you will possibly break the computer if you constantly do it. But in this particular situation, it's okay to just go ahead and do that. Now, wait about 10 seconds and then turn the computer back on. The information is most likely gone. and you should be good to go to use your computer again. Now, the important thing is when you open up your web browser, whether it's Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, DuckDuckGo is another one. Whatever browser you're using, when you open it back up, you're going to see some kind of message that says something went wrong and do you want us to restore the previous session? Say no to that, because restoring the previous session is going to restore the malicious code that locked your computer the last time. So you always want to say no to that. Do not restore the previous session, and you should be good to go. You don't have that message popping up anymore, and your computer is completely fine. So that is basically why you get the pop up that says that you have a virus and to call a certain number, and also how you get rid of it. So until next time, stay safe, everybody.